Chapter 3, Example 3. One of the authors of the text owned a 1989 Nissan Maxima for 8 years. Being a statistician, he recorded the car's fuel efficiency in miles per gallon each time he filled the tank. He wanted to know what fuel efficiency to expect as ordinary for his car. Knowing this, he was able to predict when he'd need to fill the tank again and to notice if the fuel efficiency suddenly got worse, which could be a sign of trouble. How would you describe the distribution of fuel efficiency for this car? We're describing a distribution, which means we're going to cuss, center, unusual shape, and spread. We don't have the exact statistics here, so we're just going to talk about what we see in the graph. It looks like my mean fuel economy is around 21, 22 miles per gallon. The graph looks pretty unimodal and symmetric. It looks like we have a low value there on the left, 15, maybe around 14 miles per gallon. That seems to be a little bit unusual compared to everything else. But most of our fuel economies look like they're between about 20 and 26 miles per gallon. There's not an exact value you have to go there, just where do most of the values fall. As long as you talk about that in a way that makes sense, you'll be okay. The distribution of fuel economy is unimodal and roughly symmetric, with a mean around 22 miles per gallon. The lowest fuel economy was 14 miles per gallon, and the best fuel economy was around 29 miles per gallon. There appears to be an outlier at 14 miles per gallon. This low outlier may indicate a problem with the car. On average, we would expect the fuel economy of the cars to be between 20 and 26 miles per gallon. So anything between there we just consider normal.